Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to use the Loader v2, which is a custom-made loader made by me, 0xr, and basically the loader now has advantages such as auto-updating, auto-unzipping and a lot more. The only requirement for you to use the loader is that you are a customer. How do you know that you're a customer? Go to your Discord account, and if you can see the customer role, then you should be a customer. If you have paid for the cheat but haven't received your customer role yet, then feel free to contact our support. First things first, you have to know that the new loader is a Discord based loader, which means that everything here is done on the second computer, and also the loader is generated only for you. It's personally generated and each loader is different. With that being said, I want to show you how to download and use the loader. Go to the loader channel and in here execute the command /generate. Press enter and wait for the bot to respond. Now as you can see, there's a new loader, we have a zip file and a custom code. Do not, I repeat, do not share this code with any other person. Now download the zip file and put it into any folder of your choice. You can use a desktop or you can use any other directory. Remember, all of this is done on the second computer, nothing has to be executed on your first computer. Right click the zip folder and use extract here. Wait for it to extract and then you can delete the zip file. Now there are a few files, instead you want to execute the start.bat. Double click it, press run and press yes. Now you should have the choice between the hbn full or the remeber version. In my case, I'm now going to use the full version, so I'm going to press 1. Press enter and wait until you are authenticated. Now it's downloading and checking the files. Currently it's downloading the resources.zip. This may take a while since the file is originally, I think, 120 megabytes large. Now it's done and now it's downloading the hbn.solutions DMA full. Now that's also done. Now it's extracting the resources and now it's starting the loader in 5 seconds. And there you go, there's the normal loader. Now let's close this and there should be a new folder called files. Within the files folder, there should be the loader of your choice, your configs, the resources.zip and the resources folder, which is already unzipped. Now, if you want to use the loader, just use the start.bat, run, press yes, select your version, press 1. Now it's authenticating, checking the files, everything is up to date and the loader is starting. If there are any issues, feel free to message me. My username is 0xr, you can always find me in the Discord, or just go to the customer chat and ping me. Thanks for your trust, I'll see you soon.